In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an online course on Payhip. If you're ready to transform your passion or expertise into a structured learning experience, Payhip offers a user-friendly platform to get you started. Throughout this guide, we'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully create and manage your course. First, let's kick things off by creating a Payhip account. Head over to payhip.com to sign up for free. This will be your gateway to setting up your online course. Once you've registered, you're ready to take the next step in this exciting journey. After setting up your account, it's time to add your new course product. Navigate over to the Products page. From there, click on Add New Product. You'll see a variety of options, so go ahead and select Course from the list. The platform will prompt you to enter a title for your course, which is your opportunity to capture potential students' attention. Once you've entered a suitable title, click Add Course to proceed. With your course framework in place, the next stage involves building your curriculum. You'll be directed to the Curriculum tab, where the magic happens. Here, you can click Add New Lesson to start crafting your course sections and lessons. Payhip offers several lesson types to cater to diverse learning styles. You can upload video files for video lessons, insert written content for text lessons, and even create assessments through quiz lessons. If you have resources you want students to download, utilize the Download Lesson option, which supports files up to 2 GB. Additionally, you can create survey lessons to gather feedback or assignment lessons to challenge your students with tasks. For broader variety, include embed lessons to integrate external content, offering a rich, engaging experience. To ensure your course is as visually appealing as it is educational, customize the course player and student dashboard. Access the Settings tab, where you'll find Course Player Settings. Here, you can adjust colors and fonts, and even upload your logo, ensuring a consistent brand identity. To refine the learning environment, preview the course player, click on the gear icon, and tailor the page layout to enhance student engagement. Now, let's talk about setting pricing for your course. Navigate to the Pricing tab and click Add Pricing Plan. Payhip offers flexibility with 4 distinct payment options. Choose a one-time payment for a straightforward fee, opt for a subscription for recurring payments, whether weekly, monthly, or any other interval, a payment plan for a series of installments, or go for a free plan if you're feeling generous and want to offer your course at no cost. Remember, you can mix and match these options to provide multiple pricing structures for the same course, catering to different learners' needs. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll set up an online course on Payhip that not only showcases your knowledge, but also provides a seamless learning experience for your students. Whether you're passionate about teaching or looking to expand your business, Payhip equips you with the tools to succeed.